Alright, YouTube, we back with another finish. 2 6.5s under the seat of a 17?
14.
14. Oh shit, I said 17 last video. 14 GMC. He got 2 Audiopipe BDC4 6.5s right there. Ready to do something. He got a 1500 watt Audiopipe amp. Gonna be pushing him. We won't hear him play today, but he guarantees what, next week?
Yeah.
This Friday coming, he'll have something doing it. So that's how it came out. Came out pretty damn good. Got the nice red GMC logo in the middle. Ported in the middle. It's tuned at about 36 hertz, I believe. And that's it. Hscustomaudio Designs. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Over and out. Peace.